Hello. It's been so long since we took the time, say our words, what's deep inside us. Okay, so let's try to understand the pricing of Amazon Cognito. So this is the Amazon Cognito pricing. Cognito. What is the pronunciation of Cognito? Cognito. Pronunciation. Cognito. I think it's cognito. Cognito. How to pronounce cognito? How to pronounce cognito? Cognito.
Pag may hinahangad, may tapang para bumangon. Nescafe.
Cognito.
What the? What the? What the? The should be cognito.
Cognito.
American accent, man.
Cognito.
Cognito. Did I hear it right? It should be like a. I'll just check the mobile Google. Pronunciation of cognito. Cognito. It doesn't have any same result. Okay, I'll just pronounce it like cognito. So, Amazon Cognito pricing. With Amazon Cognito, you pay only for what you use. There are no minimum fees and no upfront commitments. Amazon Cognito charges for identity management of data synchronization, and the pricing for these features are shown below. Let's just say let's use Singapore. So that is close to Philippines. Cog- Cognito estimate. Number of monthly active users. So let's say I have maybe 10,000 or maybe 20,000. I'll just say 10,000. And then advanced security feature, disable. Let's just enable it for now. Percent percent of monthly users who sign in using SAML or OIDCP Federation. Yeah, maybe around 90%. And then show calculations. It's $600 per month. What the? And it's just this Cognito's thing? What the hell? Identity pool. There is no charge for Cognito identity pools with Amazon Cognito identity pools. You can create unique identities and assign permissions for users. You can also sign in users through social identity providers such as Facebook, through corporate identity providers with and to your backend resources. Man, okay, so let's say what is SAML again? S- Careful. Security assertion markup language. What does that mean, man? What the? This is a OpenID. Hmm. Yeah. So this one is an open federation standard that allows an identity provider to authenticate users and pass identity and security information about them to a service provider, typically an application or service. With ACML, you can enable a single sign-on experience for your users across any ACML enabled application and services. Users authenticate with the IDP once using a single set of credentials and then get access to multiple applications and services without additional sign-ins because ACML enabled applications delegate authentications to the ID. This is IDP, identity provider. The SP can automatically grant, revoke, or change the scope of a user's access to applications and services when an administrator adds, removes, or modifies the user's information in the identity provider. AWS provides distinct ACML solutions for authenticating your employees, contractors, and partners to AWS. Okay, what's the difference between this and this? Is this considered a user pool? There is no charge for Cognito identity pools. With Amazon Cognito identity pools, you can create unique identities and assign permissions for users. You can also sign in users through social identity providers such as I think this is or through um yeah it's what does it mean, man? Can anybody help me? Maybe okay, maybe just 10% is the calculation. It's lesser than 100. This is 10,000. Maybe if I start, I don't have that large amount of users. So maybe just started with 1,000 active user. So how much will it be? Oh, $50 per month. Um, yeah, and then I can get investors to sign in. And let's disable the advanced security features. Much. Oh, this is cheap. Okay, we can use Cognito. Let's say it's up to maybe 5,000 in the initial start of your application. Oh man, this is cheap. All right, let's go. Save this. Save and view summary. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is cheap. Okay, add service. Um, okay, so let's say we want to add a Amazon S3 for our for our front end Angular figure. Okay, data transfer. Uh-huh. 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 And then storage. Maybe gigabytes per month. How much will it be? Like maybe less than or maybe 100 KB. That is much is it? Point 10? A point is it point 10? Like let's do the calculator. 1,000 divided by 100. Oh, is it the right calculation? No, 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 no. It's 1 divided by um 1 gigabytes divided by maybe 100. Yeah, point zero 0.01. 0.01, or maybe just let's just put it like maybe zero point 0.5. Okay. So yeah, is it? Yeah, maybe. I guess we're gonna add. What else are we going to add? So let's just estimate that one. So for this one, how will data be moved into S3? Automatically calculates automatically calculates put copy post cost for moving data into S3 standard initially to compare the cost of current storage in S3 standard to life cycling this data to another storage class. You can specify that your storage is already stored in S3 bucket while selecting lifecycle under the new storage class to capture the upfront cost of your ongoing monthly number of how much can it be? It's like we have 5,000. Is it 5,000? 5,000, maybe 50,000 monthly. Let's just say 100,000. Yeah, maybe 100,000. Or maybe 500,000. Yeah, monthly is $2 at almost, yeah, $2.5. Um, our ongoing monthly number get select, so the same. Then data returned by S3. Um, data returned. Is this per month? Per month, yeah. Yeah, I think yeah, maybe point 0.5, maybe point 0.5. This is small, yeah. Are we by select? Are we using this? Let's just say it's zero point 0.5. So show calculation and data transfer. What's this? Internet outgoing. So internet show calculation. Use summary. Okay, we have this per year for the cognito and our this one. Okay, so let's add lambda, AWS lambda. Yeah, we still 500,000 duration of each request. This should be very 1 millisecond. 0 monthly. Yeah, very cheap. So still 132. Um, so let's add another service. Let's add DynamoDB. Gigabyte. Maybe five. 5 gigabyte. I think 5 gigabyte is a big thing already for maybe the first year. Initial average item size. Yeah, I think this is good. So this stack we will get 1,000, almost 1,000 USD. How much is this in peso? Times how much is dollars right now? 55, 57. Let's see, 57. 39,000 per year. Oh, So for the operation, and then we charge. Yeah, I think it's good. You can, yeah. Then this is good. All right, let's go.